Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is by using a secret code and the second is using the settings. And of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the quickest option, so the secret code. Let's enter the dialer because this is the place where we will enter it. Tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers. It will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So because everything can happen. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down again to find the status. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, after scrolling down a little bit, here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number, we have to enter the software information. And as you can see, on the third position, we've got the serial number of this device. So actually, this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.